Well, what can we say? Did it pass? Did it fail? Well, we'll have to wait and see, won't we? Well, here we are, just about to take this little beastie for the MOT. Looks like it's going to be a nice day though. Right, off we go. Horn works. What a wonderful day today. I feel every single bump on this. There we go, up to 40 now. That overrun on that sounds absolute awesome. I love that. That overrun sounds absolutely awesome. Ooh, you can smell that exhaust getting hot. I'm going to put some, well, I think we have to anyway, because it's carburetted. It's got to have that. There we go, just a little bit of a top off. 3 litres in total. Let's put the key back in the ignition. Let's give that a little shake so we can mix some of that fuel in. First gear. Let's go the long way round. Just want to make sure everything's okay. It's riding alright at the moment, isn't it? just can't get over how good this day is today. I'm really enjoying this. I'm not saying much, so I'm actually enjoying the views around me and the temperature it is. It's such a pleasurable ride today. And that gurgle of that Overrun on the exhaust is hilarious. You see that pedestrian? Must be a bike rider. Well, this is where I am. I am going to be dropping this bike off for... well, it's booked in for midday, to be honest. That is bloody gorgeous, isn't it? There we are.
That's a clean looking bike.
Yeah, I've just done it up.
Pick the right day, I reckon.
Sorry, mate.
Pick the right day for it.
Oh, it's lovely today. Thank you so much. She passed. Clean MOT, no real issues first time. And honestly, I wasn't surprised. The amount of work done properly from the start. Mount Motorcycles were generally impressed. The standard of the build, the quality of the work. These people who see bikes every single day, good ones and bad ones as well. So when they stop and take notice and tell you something, you take notice. And while all of that was going on, I wasn't just sat in the waiting room. I asked politely to take that gorgeous Royal Enfield 650 out of front, what we saw earlier. The video is out already. The link will be on the screen and ready to watch. Now this bike came to me needing full service and a serious amount of TLC. It wasn't seized, the chain was seized, but there was plenty more hiding underneath. Crap brakes, worn out, neglected and unloved. Hidden surprises at every single turn as usual, but that's what this channel is about. You get into it, you find out what is actually wrong and you fix it properly. Now she's leaving with a clean MOT ticket. That is a total transformation. Ride it, fix it, make it. See you in the next one.